Okie dokie. Welcome to another episode of BrokeA Sim Racing. I believe this is episode 6, I think? I'm not sure. I'm also not sure which camera to look at. Well, as much as I love my CAMMUS wheel, the button box, and everything, this is actually an NRG wheel. But yeah, this is not going to be the focus today, even though this is awesome. First contender we have here is the skateboard trucks. And these are from my old skateboard. These are independent trucks. You can tell that I never got into grinding. I could do an ollie and that's about it. And I could push fast. Mongo. Let's get this beast on there. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Yeah, the ergonomics of this thing is actually pretty good. When you go to grip for it, you know, it spins out of the way. See, this is back when you used to put the logos on the outside of the wheel. This is back from when I was a kid. You can see just how far skateboarding has come along in terms of the technology. Don't broke what ain't fixed. Okay, let's see what we got here. 105.4. Not bad. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit.